welcome back with another video, and today we'll be playing Airplane Story of Madeline.
Hey guys, and if you guys want us to play another story mode, leave the suggestion in the comments below.
Okay, I'm gonna join your game.
Okay. I'm super excited. I think I only played this 2 times. But I haven't, yeah. I can't wait.
Okay, let's do these. Okay.
I feel like we're a little bit taller in this game mode for some reason.
Yeah, I don't think so, but I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. I'm in. Okay, I see you.
Get to gate C.
Wait, yeah, I think you are a little taller.
Yeah, I know. Wait, yeah, get to gate C. Yeah, get to gate C. Bum. If no one, come on. Someone, okay. The more people, I don't know, the more people the better. Hey Joe, why are you there? Join.
There's a lot of people coming.
Oh no, there's only like 3 people.
Oh, there's a lot.
Oh. Okay. And sorry for the lack of uploads. I just been busy, but like when school starts and stuff, I might be able to post more for some reason.
How?
Okay, so I don't know. Okay, 5. Okay.
But,
No.
because my schedule will probably be post after school.
Yeah, probably. Oh, I found my seat.
You're right across from me.
Oh yeah, what's up?
What's up?
Then we are currently flying at a altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good.
Already?
We will be over. Oh,
someone's not in her seat already.
The airplane. Should we explore or no? I think I already played.
I already played it, so I don't need to.
Oh yeah, and it looks pretty plain anyway, so.
Yeah, just normal airplane.
Yeah.
I've never actually been on an airplane. We were supposed to go this year, but Corona hit, so.
Yeah, I was supposed to go to England this year.
I was supposed to go to Florida to go to Disney World.
Oh. Now please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I have no clue what that word is, so.
Turbulence is like a bunch of shake. The plane is shaking like a lot.
Oh. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm scared, man.
Scared. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
A sandwich is a meal, not a snack. Like, you could have, like, I don't, never mind.
Hello, everybody. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches.
I want to be the one who is allergic to mayo.
Wait, I feel like a funny feeling I'm going to be.
Yeah. I feel like it's going to be one of us.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yes! It's me!
We need to find your stuff.
Yes, it's me. I knew it.
I need to find your stuff. Okay, I'm looking. I cannot find your stuff. Bro, what if you die?
Why me?
Hey, we're all looking.
Oh, I see it.
Get it.
No, that's not mine.
Oh, I see yours.
Yay!
I found it.
Thank you, Sky Maddie.
Yeah. I saved your life. This is so funny. Like, you got sick and I saved your life.
But I knew it was gonna be me, bro.
How did you know?
Because I just knew.
Good afternoon to all participants. Inform you have reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay. No, I'm just chilling with my ticket. Okay, I'm scared.
Ah.
Oh god. Oh gosh. Okay. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. As we will still have a few hours to go.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa.
I'm standing on my seat. I'm gonna stand on my feet. I'm scared. And it appears that we lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing?
Hi, I'm Tito.
They just stand on your seat so the snakes don't get you. Or whatever those things
You
are.
will not survive. Are those snakes? Just stand on a seat and don't move.
Yeah, and then you have to go to the restroom. Oh, this restroom right here. Right there. I do not want to lose any health. Oh no, this girl's getting chased by snakes. Guys, there's a restroom open.
Ah!
Let me in.
Quickly!
Why is it not letting me
No,
in?
it's the other one.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm like really low.
I died?
No! Sorry. I'll have to continue without you.
No.
No! Wait, everyone else died, I think, because there's only 2 people in the restroom.
Like, I was full health, right? And then the snake one-shotted me.
Oh.
How did they do that? It normally takes like one tick or something. What in the world?
At least I survived.
Guys, I'm going to end this video here, but today I'm going to make another story because, like, I did not successful at that, so I'm going to make another story today really soon because I failed that. So if I fail, like, a story instantly, I think I'm going to make, like, another video on the story, so
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoy the video, So Elijah is going to continue that video, so...
No, I'm not. Guys, I'm going to end the video. I just can't without her, so bye.